Welcome to this tutorial on why use EveryDollar zero-based budgeting, a comprehensive guide to managing your finances effectively. Zero-based budgeting is a method where every single dollar of your income is allocated to a specific expense or savings goal, ensuring that no money is wasted. EveryDollar is a popular tool that helps you implement this approach with ease. To start, you need to understand the key concept of zero-based budgeting. It is based on the idea that every dollar has a job. Whether it is paying bills, saving for retirement, or funding entertainment, the goal is to make sure that every dollar is working for you, not against you. The first step in using EveryDollar is to track your income. This includes all sources of money, such as your salary, investments, and any side hustles. Once you have a clear picture of how much money you have coming in, you can start allocating it to different categories. The next step is to identify your expenses. This includes fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries, as well as discretionary spending like dining out and entertainment. EveryDollar allows you to create customized categories that fit your lifestyle and financial goals. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using EveryDollar zero-based budgeting. By allocating every dollar to a specific expense or savings goal, you can avoid wasting money on unnecessary expenses. You can also prioritize your spending based on your financial goals, such as paying off debt or building an emergency fund. A practical example of this is if you have a monthly income of $4,000. You can allocate $1,500 to rent, $500 to utilities, and $1,000 to groceries. You can also set aside $500 for entertainment and $500 for savings. This way, every dollar is working for you, and you can avoid overspending in any category. Best practices for using EveryDollar include regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget to ensure it is working for you. You should also prioritize needs over wants, and make sure to save for long-term goals like retirement and emergencies. In conclusion, using EveryDollar zero-based budgeting is a simple and effective way to manage your finances. By allocating every dollar to a specific expense or savings goal, you can avoid wasting money, prioritize your spending, and achieve your financial goals. With its customizable categories and easy-to-use interface, EveryDollar is a valuable tool for anyone looking to take control of their finances.